Hello, welcome to Mike's Muck. I'm Mike, and today I'm out near Wickenburg, Arizona. It's about 100 degrees out here today. Probably, I don't know, maybe going to get a little bit warmer. I think 104. I like to come out here when nobody else is out here. And anyways, I'm on a non-claim today, and I wanted to show you my no-cost sluice box. And I got it all set up, ready to go. This thing I made out of basically aluminum traffic signs, scrap ones. You can go to your local scrap yard and get your own traffic signs and just grind off the lettering or whatever. There's some other scrap that you can find at the scrap place. And then, so anyways, I've tweaked this thing back and forth. I'm getting ready to, this is just my prototype. I'm actually going to weld one, and it's going to be all aluminum. My pipe will be all aluminum instead of PVC. My legs will be all aluminum, but it's okay to use it like that. So anyways, when I've run probably 100 buckets through here, and I have this little screen. Of course, the water's coming out here. I got holes drilled here. It goes down to my miner's moss, and underneath my miner's moss, I got a little ribbed mat that I got from an electrician that they set electrical equipment on, which is really cool. It works really well. And then I've got, of course, I got my mat here, and then I'm going to make it long enough. I'm going to get a longer mat, but right now I got that carpet in there to make up for the length of the sluice box, and then I'll have my big old Estwing pan in there to catch anything and just kind of keep the dirt out, the mud out as I do it. So my goal today is to run about 5 buckets, and I'm going to be screening with the old Bear Iron Works screen that I made too. So I'll show you how that works. And don't forget, if you want one of these rock crusher picks, I'm going to be selling all the parts and pieces on eBay, so you can buy that on eBay, make your own, but it'll all be pre-cut. And then remember to follow me on YouTube, Mike's Muck on YouTube. So I'm going to go over there and get some pay dirt right now. We're going to run through the sluice box and see how we do today. I got my 5 buckets. I'm ready to start going. Put a little bit of jet dry in there and see what happens. Start feeding this thing. Alright, I got it pretty much all screened. Didn't take long at all. I'm following a little bit of a caliche bed in there. That's probably why that gold is laying in there and some sand, so I'm kind of looking at it as I'm digging. I get a little bit of caliche, but I'm trying to get that little sand bed in there. So I like this. So the dirt goes down through here, hits the pan below. There's a hole there that fills up this bucket. And then the overs, we call them the overs, the oversized rock that doesn't go through the screen, just comes down here. And then you can just break them off, bounce it off like that, and then pull the screen off just as easy as that. And then get the rest of the material there. And that's what it looks like. I don't know, would that take me less than 5 minutes? It beats filling a bucket up with a whole bunch of oversized rock that you're never going to use anyways. I know that none of this stuff, I mean, it could produce nuggets in here, and I'll go over my waste pile with my metal detector when I'm done today. So I need 4 more buckets and hit my goal for the day. I got my screen set up, and I'm going to be working this little wash through here. I've already come through here once, and I did really good. It runs all the way back up there. This runs into a very well-known wash, the Little San Domingo, and that has produced a lot of gold. And I'm kind of surprised no one's been down here. There's been a couple of people, but it's a really good spot. Like, you know, you get out here in the desert, and there's always a lot of area, and there's still a lot of gold left here, so it's a lot of fun to play. So I'm going to get after it and start screening, and then we're going to go run it and see what happens. And I'm going to try to get 5 buckets today, so let's see what happens.